How were medieval castles built? It was a masterpiece of engineering, requiring hundreds of people and decades of work. It all began with a massive stone foundation as the walls rose stone by stone. Defensive towers and a strong central keep formed the heart of the castle, designed to withstand any attack. With the final details added like the iconic crenellations, the structure transformed from a construction site into an impenetrable fortress. The final result was a symbol of power and endurance, built to last for centuries, a stone giant crafted by hand. For more stories, subscribe.